Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 15.1 question number 2. Dice are cubes with dots on each face. Opposite faces of a die always have a total of 7 dots on them. Here are two nets to make dice or cubes. The numbers inserted in each square indicate the number of dots in that box. Insert suitable numbers in the blanks, remembering that the number on the opposite faces should total to 7, right? That means if it is 5, the opposite face is 2. If it is 4, the opposite of the face will be 3. If it is 1, then the opposite of the face will be 6, right? Now we will make the numbers here. Here you see that if we put a make, that means if we make a cube, this will fold here, this will fold here, then this one will be opposite to 4. This side will be opposite to 4. That means this point will be 3, right? Here you see that this one, here you see that if we fold this one, this one is upside, and if we this is upside, that means the opposite of 2 is this side, right? Opposite of 5 is this one, that means it will be 2, right? And you see, if you fold this one, you're getting this point, right? This is the opposite of this side, that is 4, that it will be 3, right? And here you see this is the 1. Then you can make a exactly cube. If we find this one, right? You see the opposite. If we fold this one, and fold this one, then this is the opposite, right? 3, and this is the opposite of that. That it means it will be 4. This is the opposite side of 3. That means it will be 4. Now, if we put this one, this is 2, and this side, this square is opposite to each other. Therefore, this will be 5, right? And this is 1. That means this square will be 6. You can make a net like this, and you can find that this is true to make a cube. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.